We're back with another old Ford startup. Just like the green truck, we're gonna fire up the 71 and move it out of the way so I can get rid of all this snow in the way. We've got some warmer temps out currently, so why not? We'll fire it up since she's got a nice overhauled motor now, see how it does. It's been sitting here since late September, I think. So it sat through 40, 50 below and hasn't moved since then. But yeah, we'll get the snow cleaned off of it, fire it up, drive it out of here, and just enjoy it a bit, I guess. So let's get after it. All right, pop the hood here. Oh yeah, she's nice and frosty. Sure looks way better than it used to, though. If some of you didn't see my update video back last summer, I ended up completely going through this 360 and overhauling it in June of 2021. And she got all kinds of improvements and a little bit of upgrades, so she's pretty well set now. But this will be fun to kind of see how she cold starts. So go get a battery, throw that in, hook it up, and we'll see what she does. All the snow makes this thing seem low to the ground. Few pumps. Shouldn't take much on this thing. Not bad. Idle's set pretty low for summer, so we'll see how it does. Might have to get the helper stick to keep her high idling a little bit. Yeah, maybe. My high idle with the manual choke isn't set right again, so I gotta fix that. Sounds good though, minus the normal FE exhaust leak, even though I tried multiple times to get them to seal up. It's the donuts leaking, so oh well. There we go. Get the heat going in here. She's gonna be a little bit lopey because it's got a cam now, but we'll get her set just right. Well, she should be warm enough to come out now. Oh yeah, there's that lope. She'll get better as it gets warmed up, but we're up to temp now. So yeah, let's crawl out of the snow. take her for a drive. Oh, she's running good. Go home and shovel all the snow out of the back. Clean some more off of it since it's melting now. But yeah, good to be in it again. I'll have to put it on insurance here soon. Start running it again if it's going to be warm. These things are cold-blooded. Not the best heaters in them, but they work. And where I put a RV cam in it, it's a little more grouchy in the cold, but oh well. It's all part of the fun. Well, got the bulk of it out anyway.